Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the minimum value property. So what it does is it will represent the smallest negative number possible in the JavaScript engine. So what we need to do is for you wanna check that, you can check it by just number number dot minimum value. That is min value, not minimum value, sorry about that. So yeah, 5e minus 324, this is the highest it can go. And now why you need to know this, because think about a situation: you made an app and you don't want to show more value than that, because if you show that, the JavaScript engine gonna class don't work, I guess. So for that we need to set a lower limit. That's what this is all about. So how you gonna do that? Just if you are creating a multiply function, so function multiply and x comma y, not dot x comma y, and give a if statement that if x, I put inside one more, x in a y is, what the heck, what I'm doing, yeah, x into y is smaller than a number dot min value, then what gonna happen is a return the process, just give minus infinity, so infinity. And if rather than that, it will be return the x into y. What the heck, man? What the heck's happening? So return x into y, and the moment we do that, just now if we log it on a console and use the multiply and pass something you can use, like 5e minus 324, and as a second argument will pass 1, it will say nothing. It doesn't have a problem. But the moment we do this, it gonna go above, because it doesn't have problem. So if we do this and paste something like this, it gonna say minus infinity, because it go in more than that. So which it can handle. See, this is the highest, and this is the way we deal with the minimum value. Never forget to check the specification, then your machine will probably class, you see. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.